Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today, we are going to open two Matchbox today instead of Hot Wheels cars. So, today we have two little small Hondas. So, first we're going to take a look at the 1976 Honda Civic, and our other car we have is a 1970 Honda N600 Off Road. Very cool casting. So, alright, let's first start off with the Honda Civic. 76. So let's crack this bad boy open and see what it looks like outside of the box. Bruh, you gotta be joking me. Okay, come on. Oh my god. Okay, third time is a charm. Okay, bruh, you gotta be kidding me. Oh my god. Oh wait, never mind. Wait, there's a little opening here. Much better. Alright. Come on. There we go. Okay, look at that. Wow. Take a look. Hold on, let's move all the garbage on the side. Alright guys, take a look at the Honda Civic. Wow. Let's put it right here and we're gonna take a look at it. Hold up. Alright guys, taking a look at the car. So taking a look at the car, has some nice backside, like a bunch of details on the back. It says Civic on it, it says Honda, and it has Dreams license plate on it. Or it says just Dreams on it. Very cool detail of the headlights and stuff. Very nice, like apple red color. I really love that. I also love the chrome rims, very classic and cute. I also love the front, which is very detailed, has some very nice headlights, Honda logo there, and it says Civic on there. The car is very small, and I like it. But look at that! Wow, it's brand new casting. Let's take a look at the back. Wow, holy crack! Oh, this thing is pretty cool. The bottom is just made out of regular plastic, no chrome on the bottom, but still pretty cool casting for Matchbox. Alright, let's take a look at the next car. Oh, why won't the camera focus? There we go. There we go. Hoo-hoo. I'm wearing gloves, so I can't really touch it. But anyways, here is the next one. That's 1970. So let's crack it open. Here it is. 7 years anniversary right there. So let's open it. Please. Oh wait, what am I doing? There's like a little opening here. Come on. Okay, I think I understand these things now. Bruh. Oh wait. Okay. Okay. Little Honda. Alright, now we've got this thing, so all we gotta do is, come on, please. Like, you know what, I'm gonna take off the glove. Hold up. Okay, now I got one hand, so I can focus the camera. That is much better. Oh my god, thank you, camera. Okay, now I can finally grip on it, so it won't slip out of my hand. So we're gonna keep one hand for ripping open the cardboard. Oh my god, look at it. It's like very secure. Hold up. Oh my god, look at it. It's like a perfect shape for this thing. But anyways, guys, let's take a look at this Honda Matchbox car. So here is a closer look at the die-cast car. Oh my god, it's so like very nice. Look at that. Beautiful JDM car or off-road. Whatever you want to say it is. So now I can focus the camera. There you go. Taking a look at the car. Has some very nice rims on it. I really like it. You don't really usually see those rims on Matchbox a lot. Very nice red line with 55 Honda and a Honda logo on there. There's no back headlight tampos, sadly, but still very cool car. It has the same tampos on the other side. Has some very nice front headlight tampos. Take a look at that little Honda logo and the lights. It looks so small. I love it. But anyways, guys, look at that. I like how half of the car, like, see, it's like off-road, so it's like half of it's kind of like up, and like, so like the front is just, you know, basic, but still pretty cool. Anyways, but yeah, guys, I just want to show you, you know, these two Hondas, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, actually, what am I doing? I only put them here. But yeah, guys, hope you have a good day, and yeah, bye.